In recent years, robotics has transformed the manufacturing process in the automotive industry. Robots are now a common sight in car factories, handling tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. While the use of robotics has brought many benefits to the industry, there is growing concern about the impact on the job market. In this video, we will explore the impact of robotics on the automotive industry job market. One of the primary benefits of using robots in the automotive industry is the increase in efficiency and productivity. Robots can perform tasks faster and more accurately than human workers, resulting in a higher output of cars. This increased productivity can lead to lower costs and higher profits for car manufacturers. However, the downside is that the use of robots can result in job losses for human workers. The automotive industry is a significant employer, with millions of people working in various roles such as assembly line workers, machinists, and engineers. The introduction of robots into the manufacturing process has already led to job losses, particularly in lower-skilled roles. As robots become more advanced, it is likely that they will be able to perform more complex tasks, potentially leading to job losses in higher-skilled roles as well. However, it's important to note that the impact of robotics on the job market is not all negative. The increased efficiency and productivity brought about by robotics can lead to cost savings, which can be reinvested in the business, leading to job creation in other areas. For example, car manufacturers may invest in research and development, leading to new products and job opportunities for engineers and designers. Another potential benefit of robotics in the automotive industry is the potential to make jobs safer. Car manufacturing can be a hazardous occupation, with workers exposed to dangerous chemicals and heavy machinery. By replacing human workers with robots, the risk of workplace accidents can be significantly reduced, making the industry safer for all involved. However, the implementation of robotics in the automotive industry is not without its challenges. One of the main challenges is the cost of implementing robotics. While the long-term benefits of increased productivity and efficiency are clear, the initial investment required can be substantial. Additionally, the complexity of the technology involved in robotics means that skilled workers are required to operate and maintain the robots, which can be a challenge in itself. Another challenge is the need for retraining and reskilling of workers. As robots take over more tasks, human workers will need to learn new skills to remain employable. This may require significant investment in training programs and can be a challenge for workers who have spent their entire careers in the automotive industry. In conclusion, the use of robotics in the automotive industry has brought many benefits in terms of increased productivity, efficiency, and safety. However, the impact on the job market cannot be ignored. As robots become more advanced, it is likely that they will replace human workers in many roles, leading to job losses. It is up to car manufacturers to manage this transition responsibly, ensuring that job losses are minimized, and workers are retrained and reskilled where necessary. The future of the automotive industry is undoubtedly robotic, and it is up to us to ensure that this transition is made as smoothly and as fairly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content on robotics in different industries.